Okay, as we've been here before, this is the battery. Today we're going to attempt to change the battery. Looking at this, we have a battery held in by a clip this side. And it looks like this frame has to come off. So bolt. So let's get the frame off first. So what you have is 13mm bolt, two 13mm nuts, and then these lift off. Not too sure if that one, oh, that one will as well. So that then leaves us with two 10mm. There's one. I know that was already loose. I cheated. And that's another. These come undone, or just so I can get that out of the way a bit more. Okay, now this bolt down here, which I'm thinking is 10mm, but I'm also thinking this is not original. It just looks a bit dodgy. I somehow think BMW clamp would be a bit more stronger than that. So with that out, whole battery out. And as we can see, there's a drain here which never got connected. And here we have the new battery. It's a number 13 from Caddy 4. Basically should fit. Special offer, €92. I did look at Norauto and Fuevert. They were about 160 for the same size battery. Since when did batteries get so expensive? I mean, crazy. Okay, let's lift it in. I'm going to do this off the camera because you don't want to hear me grunting and groaning. New battery's in. I have to see if I can buy one of them vent adapter tubes for the battery, because the old battery didn't have one on. I'm guessing at some stage in the past when the battery's been changed, that's gone walkabout. What we're doing is putting the makeshift clamp back on. I know that's not original. The question is, do we buy a new one? This one does its job at the moment. Literally just to hold it there, put the handles down, and now we can investigate the caps. There's one, there's two. So as normal, we'll put the positive on first. Remember to put it back through the clip that we took it out of. Reconnected. Before I put the actual cross brace back on, what I want to do is start the car and see if the alternator is actually charging the battery, because when I drove the car here 20 kilometers, the battery didn't charge. Now it could have been because it was a dead battery, or it could have been because the alternator was knackered. So I'm just going to go and get the multimeter, start the car, and next time you see us will be car running, multimeter going. This is where you actually need multiple hands. So for the car going, I'm getting 16 volts. So let's go turn the car off and see what we get to. Car's now turned off, and I'm at 13 volt. So alternator is definitely working. So I can put these cables or bars back over. At least we know something is working. This one goes on here and up there. So 13 bolts. 13 nut. 13 nut. So I'm going to do back them up. Still not going to fix that down. Don't technically need it at the moment. The other thing, it looks like that could be the air suspension compressor. So some of this wiring also is possibly for the air compressor, because this car's actually had the air suspension removed.